Ever wondered what dogs really do when we're not around? When they're not playing, they love to nap in their favorite spots. Exploring the world through scent is their favorite pastime. Digging brings out their inner adventurer. They're always hoping for a tasty treat to drop. Playtime is essential for their happiness and health. They love to keep an eye on the neighborhood happenings. Socializing is key to their emotional well-being. Rainy days are just another opportunity for fun. They thrive on companionship and love. Training strengthens their bond and builds trust. In their eyes, every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold.